Welcome. My name is Glonia Okeke, reporting live from Osio TV. Ohanaeze Ndigbo taxed the National Assembly on the $22.7 billion loan, which does not include the interest of the Southeast Zone. The Ohanaeze Ndigbo strongly condemned the approval by the National Assembly of the controversial $22.7 billion loan requested by President Muhammadu Buhari, which does not accommodate any projects to be located in the Southeast Zone. According to the Deputy Publicity Secretary of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo, who said that the Apex Igbo body has now tasked the National Assembly to explain to the entire Nigerian citizens the conditions for the approval of the $22.7 billion loan, when the Southeast Zone was not included. The Ohanaeze Ndigbo said that they would like to know if the Southeast Zone is now a part of this loan that they are expected to contribute and pay back. Stay tuned as we bring to you more happenings around town. Once again, it's your girl, Glonia Okeke, reporting live from Osio TV. And don't forget to stay safe.